Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a iPhone 6 or 6 Plus, and you want to know how to turn the lock sound off and on. It's very simple to do. First of all, I have it on, so every time I click on the lock button, oops, let me do that again. Click on the lock button, you're going to hear that, okay? And basically how to enable that, first go into your settings here, and then you want to go from settings, you want to go down to where it says sounds right here, tap on that, and then you want to scroll all the way down and make sure that this is toggled on, okay, if you want the lock sound on. So currently it's on, okay. Now the thing is, even though it's on, if you have your mute button on, so here's the mute button here, let me go ahead and turn the mute button on. If I turn it on, then you're not going to be able to hear the lock sound, okay, so watch. So you don't hear no lock sound. Now another thing to also note is with the volume key too. So let me go ahead and put this on. So if you have the volume all the way down to like just only on one, the lock sound is going to be very, very low. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. So the sound isn't too loud. So there you guys go. Any questions or anything, just comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.